the concept of persona. So what is a persona? A persona is simply who you are in the eye of the AI model, in the eye of ChatGPT. So straightforward action that we want to do in order to design the persona and let ChatGPT know who we are exactly. So I'm just going to go here into the settings option and then click on the customize ChatGPT. So as you can see here, this window summarizes who I am as a person, as a user to ChatGPT. So basically it's telling to ChatGPT certain specific information about myself so that he understands better who is he dealing with or who is she dealing with, and then adapt the response and adjust it best to fit my expectations as a user.